What's up, everybody? We is back with another video. So today I went to Walmart and I bought me some rear tail lights with the Easy Connect, the 4-pin trailer plug or whatever. And I also brought this. So the idea is to put this LED light right here, but this is bent, so we're gonna need to bend that back out so it can look right. And I'm gonna have to clean the surface. So with that being said, let me grab some stuff to clean this surface, and then I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. So we kind of got the dent out a little bit, as much as we could. So now what we're gonna do is prep the area with some acetone and a rag. You know what I'm saying? Usually you want to use gloves, but I don't care right now. So I'm gonna try to clean this area up with all this garbage and stuff, and then I'm gonna catch y'all once I get back with it. All right, y'all. So as usual, we always run into some problems. So as old as this truck is, it looks like we need to replace all these harnesses and all that stuff, because this is not gonna connect to no trailer. And the idea was to connect this to this. That way I can have two, and one will go to this light, which is gonna be, you know, connected to the brakes and stuff, and then this will connect to the trailer or whatever. So, you know, that was supposed to work like that, but it looked like I gotta go buy me another female part and just make sure it fits this truck, man. But we're gonna come back because I gotta run to the store real quick, and we're gonna grab the little parts that we need, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so after a little bit of reconstructing the harness, I still got a little bit more to go, so we can have its own separate harness to connect this to. But other than that, everything looked like it works properly. Like the turn signals, the hazard lights. Well, actually, let me test this turn signals. I tested the hazard lights, but let me test the turn signals. All right, y'all. So we got the left signal light on, and this will determine which side goes on which. So this side will go on the left side, and you know, wada. So let me go ahead and get this put onto the truck, and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so look, I got the light on, man, as I can see from back here. It ain't nothing much, it ain't too special, but you know what I'm saying, we getting it done. We getting the truck ready to ride, and I got a special gift for y'all, for everybody that know or keep up. These bad boys are old, man, so they gotta go. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned, and I got a good video for y'all. Love y'all.